Hi guys, it's Bonnie here from Three Birds Renovations and I'm standing here on my new HardieDeck. I chose HardieDeck because it won't rot, warp or splinter. It's also fire resistant and termite resistant as well. I know in the past I've painted my HardieDecks, but this time what I've done is gone for a traditional timber looking deck and we're staining it in the background. It's going to look pretty cool. I want it a little bit warmer, a little bit more natural looking. So guys, the day before you stain the deck, there's a little bit of prep that needs to happen. What you firstly need to do is get a hose and hose off any of the debris, and then while it's still wet, get your broom and just get off any of that excess dirt. So in cooler climates, you may need to leave it a little bit longer than 24 hours to just ensure it's bone dry. Just before you stain the deck, guys, give it a good vacuum. The tester is, wipe your hand across the board, and if it's clean, you're good to go. To achieve this timber look that I really wanted, what we've got Intergrain water-based natural stain, and we've mixed a merbau with a charcoal colour. So like any painting job, I tested the paint colour first. I got some sample pots, I painted them on a spare board, and I ensured I had the right colour. So when you're staining the deck, guys, don't use a normal roller that you would generally use. Use a lamb's wool applicator or a really good high quality brush. Apply a thin layer of stain in long strokes. A good rule of thumb is to work on an area that is no bigger than 3 boards at any one time. Also, try to be careful and complete the entire length of the board before continuing on to the next one. Once your deck is completely stained, wait 2 hours for the coat to dry before applying a second coat. In high traffic areas with full sun exposure or around pools, a third layer may be required. Intergrain also have an anti-slip additive which is required around pools. So we're now standing on our finished HardieDeck. We've let it cure for the 7 to 10 days. We haven't put any furniture on it, haven't walked on it, done anything. We've done that because we want it to be really nice and hard so it doesn't scratch. We usually paint our HardieDeck a light colour. This time we went for the timber look and I am so impressed. It genuinely does look like timber.